Vidyut Panda, President of Society of Neuroanesthesiology and Critical Care. It is my pleasure to invite you all to 23rd Annual Conference of Indian Society of Neuroanesthesiology and Critical Care. Theme of this conference is envisage, innovate and implement the art of neuroanesthesia and neurointensive care. It is organized by the eminent neuroanesthesiologists and neurointensivists of Bengal. Many international and national neuroanesthesiologists and neurointensivists will participate in this conference, and the recent development in the field of neuroanesthesia and neurocritical care will be discussed in detail. I'm sure all the neuroanesthesiologists, neurointensivists, and anesthesiologists working in the field of neuroscience will be benefited by the content of the conference and by interacting with the renowned faculties and experienced delegates during the conference. I wish all the success to the organizers of ISNAC 2022 to organize a very informative and interesting academic content during the conference. Under the able leadership of renowned neuroanesthesiologists such as Dr. Amna Goswami, Dr. Bibhu Kalyani Das, Dr. Indranil Ghosh, Dr. Sucharita, and others, we will definitely be going to enjoy the conference and will become more knowledgeable at the end of the conference. So I request all to be a part of the conference ISNAC 2022. Thanking you and wishing you a very happy new year. Thank you.
Dear colleagues and friends, greetings from the city of joy, the cultural capital of India, Kolkata. On behalf of the organizing committee of 23rd Annual Conference of ISNAC, I extend heartiest gratitude to the executive committee and the general body of ISNAC for giving us this opportunity for the third time after 12 years. We are very enthusiastic to have this event physically, but unfortunately, due to COVID-19 pandemic, we have to shift to the virtual platform. I am very sorry that you will miss the hospitality of Bengal, mainly the gastronomy and the sightseeing. But the scientific program has been very appropriately designed by our scientific committee involving all eminent faculty from abroad and from land. Hope you will enjoy and cherish the academic feast. I am confident about the virtual conference that will be like the physical one, as good as physical one. And our event management team, led by Sanghamitra Datta, has promised us to leave no stone unturned for the grand success of this conference. Thank you all and see you on 21st to 23rd of January 2022. Long live ISNAC. Jai Hind.
Hello, I am Indranil Ghosh, Organizing Secretary of ISNAC 2022. I welcome you all to the 23rd Annual Conference of Indian Society of Neuroanesthesiology and Critical Care, organized on a virtual platform. This year we have experts from all over the country and across the globe sharing their experiences in the field of neuroanesthesia and neurocritical care. I hope all of you will enjoy the content and make it a grand success. Thank you.
The annual conference of the Indian Society of Neuroanesthesiology and Critical Care will be held on 21st to 23rd of January. The faculty, consisting of speakers of national and international eminence, will be there to share with you their experiences and their expertise. There will be panel discussions, orations, debates, PG symposia, poster presentation, and workshops to grab your attention. The evergreen topics in neuroanesthesia, the recent, the contentious, everything is on the menu. So, hope to see you on 21st.